It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2019 Buick Encore Essence front-wheel drive in the ebony twilight metallic, 1.4-liter turbocharged engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Got the leather upholstery, heated steering wheel, forward collision warning, so much more. Let's have a look. Got the all-leather upholstery here. Memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets. Power driver adjustable seat with lumbar support. Driver blind spot information system, so this icon will illuminate if you have someone in your blind spot. You got your push start ignition. A leather wrapped steering wheel. It is heated. We're going to get to that soon enough. You got your cruise control here, and you also have your forward collision warning, so you can set that up for different distances, and it's going to keep you informed of the flow of traffic around you, give you an alert when you're getting too close. Headlights and turn signals. The intermittent wipers, including rear wipers, located over here on the right hand side. And here's your hands-free calling and voice command. Audio source selector, and you got the volume switch right there as well, so you can crank those tunes up here on the AM FM Sirius XM satellite radio. Time and temperature display, OnStar navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto supported when you plug in via USB. You got the phone icon there, SMS text messaging, and the full range of OnStar services. And of course, with that phone icon, you can pair your devices. Use it for hands-free and stored media. You also have that full-color rear backup camera with trajectory, and you do have the parking sensors here, so it's going to give you an alert if you're a little bit too close to something. You can turn the sensors on and off. And you also have the lane departure warning system, so again, you're going to get an alert if you start to drift out of traffic. Heated steering wheel icon right there, and heated seats, both driver and passenger side. Hazards, traction control, and below, a handy little place to put your device, as I've done here. You've got 2 USB ports, auxiliary, and 12-volt power as well. Gear shifter, parking brake, pair of cup holders, and a bit of storage space there below. You also have those premium floor mats installed both front and rear. OnStar services at the rear view mirror once again. And up from that, you're going to find overhead lighting and the garage door openers. Alright, push start ignition. So to turn the engine off, got my foot on the brake, press this button right here, and your engine will shut down. You get the front parking sensors, the fog lights, that was 18-inch aluminum wheels, Continental all-season tires. You get the wheel locks there installed, and above you can see those roof rails. And we're going to take a look at the rear profile now. You've got the rear parking sensors. There you go. There's a look at the hatch completely opened up now. Lots of storage space. The carpeted floor mats here, as well as the premium ones, already installed. Got the tie downs, and you have the spare tire located below. And you also have this removable cargo cover, so you can pop this in and out, no problem at all. If you're going to fold those seats down, 60/40 flip and fold seating, which we're going to get to momentarily, and then you can put that cargo cover back in again. And to close the hatch up, just give a little push. Very simple. One hand on the camera here, the other's on the car. And the flip and fold seating is so easy to operate. Just going to grab this tab right here. There is your flip. Grab this tab here, push down, and there's your fold. And of course, both sides of the 60/40 will do exactly the same thing. Putting them back in position just that easily. You got the fold down armrest with cup holders. And you also have a 3-prong power below for your passengers to plug into. And those premium floor mats continue. And you have the smart key access system and the integrated turn signals, regardless of which trim level of the Encore you select. That completes our look around the 2019 Essence. You want to give it a test drive? We're at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.